Haochuan HC Machinery Limited Company is a Chinese woodworking machinery manufacturer, dedicated to the R&D and innovation of woodworking machinery products. With rich experience and mature technology, the factory is located in Shandong Province, China, covering an area of 5 hectares. At present, the main product categories include large, medium and small edge banding machines, sliding table saws, hinge drills, etc. Among them, soft forming special shaped edge banding machines include J, Z, Semi-J and 45-degree type edge banding machines. Adhering to the concept of quality first, the products have won wide acclaim in the international market.